Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well today. I want to talk about Bitcoin because very soon guys, okay? Very soon we're going to see Bitcoin absolutely skyrocketing, reaching its recent all-time highs and of course reaching a new high. We know a bull run is coming. And in today's video, I want to talk more about that, right? There is in fact obviously a fair few Bitcoin charts that I do in fact want to show you guys, okay? Indicating that, Bitcoin soon enough is going to have a breakout. Soon enough. Okay, I'm telling you this right now. Okay, soon enough, we're going to see Bitcoin pump like crazy. I'm telling you this right now, Bitcoin will reach back up to its recent all-time highs. Okay, and we saw that a couple months ago, okay, when Bitcoin was up over $73,000, okay, around 73,800, right? Bitcoin will reach that, okay, and it's obviously going to reach a new high. I'm telling you this right now, a 100k Bitcoin is coming. So prepare yourselves right now, guys. Okay, get ready right now. Okay, truly prepare yourselves for what is coming for Bitcoin because a bull run is coming. Okay, and I know I've been talking about this for the past few days and I've been repeating myself about this topic, but I just really want you guys to prepare yourselves because I feel like a lot of people out there in general are not prepared for what is coming for Bitcoin, right? But Bitcoin soon enough is going to have a breakout. It's going to reach new highs and eventually it's going to reach $100,000 sometime towards the end of this year in 2024, right? So let's begin with this video. I want to give you guys an update what's happening obviously with Bitcoin today and of course the entire cryptocurrency market. We know Bitcoin has in fact been pumping, same with other altcoins. So I want to show you guys what is happening with crypto today. But real quick, okay, now I talked about this I think in yesterday's video, yeah, I did, about the golden cross. Okay, so Bitcoin preps golden cross, which last sparked 170% Bitcoin price gains. So we know, guys, okay, earlier this year in 2024, right, I think around February, so a couple months back in this year, we actually saw Bitcoin forming, pretty much prepping for a golden cross, and it formed, and that obviously led to a very huge pump for Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin price in February, right? Who remembers, absolutely exploded, right? This year, okay? And like that month alone, I think Bitcoin was up like 40% or over 40% just in February, which was absolutely amazing. Now, understand, guys, I talked about the golden cross in yesterday's video. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But I showed you guys a Bitcoin chart and it showed us a golden cross is in fact forming just like what it did in February. And usually, right, when we see a golden cross, it's pretty bullish. Okay, it leads Bitcoin to a huge pump. So understand, soon enough, we're going to see Bitcoin having a breakout because a golden cross is forming pretty much, right? So this is obviously, a very bullish sign for Bitcoin. Now, this is what Bitcoin is in fact doing today. Yes, and just clearly see we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame. And yesterday, guys, okay, we did actually see Bitcoin having a slight drop back down to the downside to about $64,000. Okay, about 2 days ago, we actually saw it pump all the way up to $66,000. And you also just clearly see today, Bitcoin is now back up at $66,000, which is absolutely amazing to see. Okay, 66,800. So it looks like Bitcoin is in fact about to reach back up to 67, and eventually it's looking like right now, right? If we go to the daily time frame, it's looking like Bitcoin really wants to reach back up above $70,000, okay, and its recent all-time highs. And I'm telling you this right now, soon enough, that will eventually happen, right? So Bitcoin today is looking pretty good, okay, slightly pumping up to the upside, back up above $66,000, close to 67, which is amazing to see. A couple of hours ago, we actually saw Bitcoin up at 67,300. Okay, so it's looking pretty good today for Bitcoin. Now, the entire cryptocurrency market today is looking pretty good. The global crypto market cap is now above 2.4 trillion, now sitting at 2.43 trillion, and overall the market today is up 2.8%, right? Yeah, just pretty much 3% today. So it's looking pretty good. For the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is up over 2%, and Ethereum today is now back at $3,000, above $3,000, $3,100. So it's great to see that for Ethereum, up over 5% today. Absolutely amazing to see for Ethereum. We actually saw Ethereum, I think, yesterday and the day before that actually below 3K. So it's great to see ETH back above $3,000, right? That's great to see for Ethereum. Many other altcoins for the past 24 hours are in fact pumping. You guys can see Solana up over 6%, Dogecoin up over 3%, Cardano 4%, Sheep right 2%, Avalanche, AVAX up over 7%, which is great to see. Bitcoin Cash 8%, right? Chainlink over 3%. So you guys can just clearly see a fair few greens all over for altcoins today. Okay, a fair few of them. You guys can just clearly see that for the past 24 hours, looking much better than it was yesterday. So, you know, overall, the crypto market today is looking slightly more better than what it was doing yesterday. So that's great to see, right? Everything is gaining a bit more momentum today. So that's great to see. But yeah, let's get into these Bitcoin charts. Okay, and I really want to show you guys where we will potentially see Bitcoin, you know, in the next upcoming few weeks, you know, a few months time, you know, in the short period of time. Okay, where is Bitcoin heading? So I told you guys, okay, Bitcoin, okay, is in fact forming this descending broadening wedge, right? So this chart just shows you guys, okay, from Titan of Crypto, that $75,000 is coming for Bitcoin. Potentially that is the next target. Okay, and obviously if we see Bitcoin reaching $74,000 to $75,000, then that's obviously going to, you know, reach Bitcoin a new all-time high, right? Bitcoin will obviously reach a new all-time high. So yes, very, very soon, okay, $75,000 is very, very possible. A breakout is in fact coming, guys. Okay, you know, this consolidation, okay, this continuous consolidation will end very, very soon, guys. I want you guys to understand that. Okay, it's gonna pump like crazy. It's gonna break that resistance line. Obviously, it's gonna reach a new high. Okay, so $75,000 is pretty much the next target very, very soon. So prepare yourselves for that. But yes, here's another chart just showing us that Bitcoin is in fact going to have a rally, and it's going to be higher than $75,000, okay, potentially $100,000. So it says here the coming Bitcoin rally will reach $100,000. The structure of consolidation and falling wedge has been identified since the beginning of this bull run. So is looking pretty bullish, guys. Okay, so yes, Bitcoin is obviously was forming this falling wedge, and obviously it had a breakout just recently. You guys can just clearly see that. So pretty much, guys, soon enough we're going to see Bitcoin having a rally, and that rally is going to lead Bitcoin to pretty much 100k. And I told you guys many times, towards the end of this year in 2024, I really do believe a 100k, you know, Bitcoin is very, very possible. So for all my Bitcoin holders out there watching this video right now, prepare yourselves to what is coming for Bitcoin, because I feel like a lot of you guys are not prepared, are not ready. So get ready now, right? Buy now, guys. You know, Bitcoin is so cheap. It's below 100k. You guys better accumulate as much Bitcoins as you possibly can right now. You know, simply DCA into Bitcoin right now, because soon enough, in the next upcoming few months, Bitcoin's going to be over 100k, right? So understand, buy Bitcoin while it's still cheap, while it's still below $100,000 before it's too late. Buy now, guys, okay, before it's actually too late, right? So that's that. But yes, 100k Bitcoin is coming, okay? But yeah, also this chart is showing us, okay, Bitcoin 3-day chart prints a bull flag. Okay, now usually we know, okay, bull flags are obviously, you know, pretty bullish for Bitcoin, right? Usually when we see a bull flag formed, okay, it leads to a beautiful, you know, pump, right? A uptrend, right? Another uptrend. So you guys can just clearly see, okay, in which it will break out. Is around the corner. If this breakout happens, okay, the measuring target is over $120,000. Okay, so get ready, guys. Okay, $120,000 is in play. Okay. It really, really is. It's going to go from, you know, $75,000 just like I showed you guys, to 80 to 90 to 100k, and $120,000. You know, all these price targets are very, very possible for Bitcoin to reach short term, right? In the next upcoming few months, literally, guys. Okay, understand, a Bitcoin bull run is coming. Okay, it's coming, guys. So get ready, prepare yourselves, please. Okay, because it's about to happen, and I don't want you guys to have that regret of not buying into Bitcoin when it was below 100k. Trust me, if you're not buying Bitcoin right now and it pumps all the way to 100k and you have that FOMO in you, you will have the biggest regret of not buying into Bitcoin when it was below 100k. So that's why I'm telling guys for the past few days, for the past few weeks, even months, to buy Bitcoin when it's still below 100K, because soon enough it's about to change. It's about to reach over 100K, right? A run, okay, a bull run is coming. So that's that. But yes, from Max, it says here Bitcoin is consolidating near the all-time high, expecting a massive breakout soon. So again, okay, a breakout is in play, right? Soon enough, Bitcoin is in fact going to reach new highs. It's obviously going to reach its recent all-time highs of $73,000, and it's going to reach a new high, obviously, right? That's about to happen, okay? And understand, Bitcoin right now is consolidating, okay, at its pretty much near its all-time high, right? So this is still bullish, guys. Okay, this is what we all have been waiting for, us to see Bitcoin pretty much at its all-time high. Okay, and Bitcoin's above $60,000. This is what we all wanted. So relax, guys. For the past few months, Bitcoin has been pumping. Like, look at this, right? Ever since early of 2023, right? January 2023 to where we are right now, we have seen Bitcoin pump a lot. This forming this beautiful uptrend. You guys can just clearly see that, right? Reaching back up to its all-time highs, and just recently, right back in March, I believe, reaching a new high above $73,000. This is what we all wanted, right? So I understand it's sort of boring right now for Bitcoin because it's consolidating, right? It's not moving, but I understand Bitcoin is pretty much near its all-time high, right? So I understand Bitcoin is still up, guys, okay? Is not down, and be blessed, right? Be blessed that Bitcoin is in fact consolidating right now, because it gives us time to accumulate more Bitcoin at this price, right? Think of it that way. So this is a blessing, okay? But yes, a bull run very soon, guys, is coming, okay? A breakout is in fact about to happen. Now, it says here, Bitcoin consolidation is nearing an end. Last time when it happened, Bitcoin had an amazing run, and that's very, very true. You guys can just clearly see when we had many consolidations throughout the way for the past, a few months, right? Especially last year in 2023, right? Consolidation, and then a pump. Consolidation, and then a pump. And this is where we are right now. It's consolidating, but soon enough, it's about to have a pump. So understand, okay, Bitcoin will in fact reach new highs very, very soon. Who knows how soon? Okay, it could potentially be the next upcoming few weeks, few months, but very, very soon, guys, Bitcoin will reach new highs. Okay, a bull run is coming. So prepare yourselves for that, right? But yes, Mags, okay, once again, the Bitcoin bull run is coming. We just had the Bitcoin halving event back in April, right? 20th of April. Okay, so it's coming up to a month now almost, right? And you guys can just clearly see every single time we have a Bitcoin halving event, we know, right after the Bitcoin halving event, this is where Bitcoin tends to pump the most. And it doesn't pump straight away. We know that. And that's why Bitcoin right now is not pumping like crazy right now, right? It takes time. Give Bitcoin time, guys, right? This is not the first time that we have seen Bitcoin not move right after the Bitcoin halving event. It has happened many, many times, right after the Bitcoin halving event, it doesn't pump. You got to give it, 2 months, 3 months, maybe 4 months, even 8 months. And then that's when the real bull run begins for Bitcoin, right? But understand a bull run is coming, and Bitcoin is in fact about to reach a all-time high, a new all-time high. Most likely, obviously, in 2025, because that's when things are going to really, really kick off, right? 2025 next year, prepare yourselves, guys, because Bitcoin's about to absolutely skyrocket. Not just Bitcoin, but also altcoins. We know alt season is obviously right around the corner as well. So prepare yourselves for that, you guys, okay? But yes, a Bitcoin bull run is coming, and I really want you guys to prepare yourselves right now for it, okay? Prepare yourselves. So that's that, guys. That is pretty much it for today's video. That's really all I wanted to talk about, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I just really wanted to give you guys an update what is happening with Bitcoin right now, and of course the entire crypto market. As usual, there is obviously a fair few things that I wanted to show you guys today. There was a fair few Bitcoin charts that I showed you guys, but it's very bullish, and I hope you guys understand a massive bull run is coming for Bitcoin and crypto overall, right? The entire crypto market's going to pump very, very soon. I'm telling you guys that right now. So get ready now. Prepare yourselves for it, right? So on that, guys, continue to DCA into Bitcoin or DCA into any other altcoin that you guys are, in fact, accumulating in. Really just do your own research, right? But just stick with the basics if you're investing into crypto long term, you know, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? We know Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're not going to go anywhere. I really do believe, you know, these two crypto coins are going to be staying here forever. So just stick with the basics when you're investing into crypto, especially for long term. Just Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's personally what I do. I'll obviously invest into other altcoins, but I'm not going to be, you know, holding into these altcoins like for long term, right? So that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated. And I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.